I still can't believe it. It is pretty quiet too. It's running out of gas now. That's exactly, because I need something to cut the hill back here too. My lawn board died. The whole brake thing broke. The flywheel break, so I got to try to find one. You saw my electric start lawn boy, didn't you? I got that out of the free, out of the trash. I ran it for like 3 years and the blade brake broke. I went home, I put gas in it, I charged the battery, and it fired right up. You can see where the gas tank is. It peeled the paint off. It's not running rich now because it's running out of gas. Out of gas. Pup, 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 pup. $20 lawnmower, had done nothing to it but put gas in it.
Interesting.
Don't know how it's running with the float needle and the main jet out of it. And what else? What's sitting on the side there?
It looks like the bowl.
The orifice tube?
It looks like the...
There's tons of parts in there.
I have no freaking idea. That's definitely a main jet, it looks like.
Alright, let's tip it. Just stand right on its side. F it. Gas is off. I ain't gonna do nothing. Got it? Well, the float is still on it.
So I can't get the float. I've never seen that before. Unless the bowl holds everything together. Then how would you get that back together?
No, that can't be.
That is quite odd. Maybe
Is there any?
It's running rich.
Yeah, there's nothing in there. That's why it's running rich. That's why at idle. That's why it's fine.